In 1992, an industrious businessman from the Bonoafo region of Ghana, Professor Sampson Effah Apraku, began a sole proprietorship enterprise under the name Apraku Chemicals. A couple of years later, he changed the name from Apraku Chemicals to Samara Pharmacy, and in 2005, under the laws of Ghana, incorporated and commenced business under the new name Samara Company Limited. Samara Company Limited's vision is to provide the best quality product that exceeds the expectation of our customers. Our mission is to achieve enduring success in developing varieties of quality home care products that will be preferred and patronized by all. Samara Company Limited successfully introduced onto the Ghanaian market the Sasso brand of products, namely Sasso insecticide spray and coil, Roma insecticide spray and coil, Kel toothpaste, and Feco spray starch. At Samara, we believe in treating our customers with respect and dignity. Through hard work and determination, we incorporate honesty, integrity, and professionalism into every aspect of our business operations. Sasso insecticide spray and coil is rated very high in performance, and it is the #1 insecticide spray and coil in Ghana. In the area of corporate social responsibility, Samara Company Limited focuses on education, health, and culture. In view of this, Samara Company Limited has printed and distributed over 300,000 exercise books and pens to selected schools in every district in Ghana. Professor Sampson Effah Apraku, chairman of Samara Company Limited, currently channels his energies to support United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Out of the 17 SDGs, Professor Sampson Effah Apraku has adopted the first 2 goals, which are no poverty and zero hunger, and believes we can arrest this menace if we all get involved. It is therefore on this premise that Samara Industries, a subsidiary of Samara Company Limited, has acquired thousands of acres of land for farming to feed the world. From 2014 till date, Samara Company Limited has won over 17 awards, including the Ghana Farmer Awards 2019, Excellence in Business, Ghana Farmer Awards 2019, Insecticide Provider of the Year, Pan-Africa Most Contributor to Malaria Eradication, Best Insecticide of the Year 2016, African Product Award Lagos, Fastest Growing Company 2015, Head of State Awards, Fastest Growing Brand 2014, Top Brands Award, Top Emerging Brand 2014, Top Brands Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, oral care product of the year goes to Kel toothpaste by Samara.
At Samara, we think ahead to make sure we evolve with the changing taste and demands of our customers. We are Samara Company Limited, and this is our story.